Yo, what is up, YouTube? This is my new bike check 2014 because I deleted my last one because it was pretty stupid. And yeah, I got a bunch of new parts, so let's jump into it. At the top, I have Sabroso Velicus V2 grips, premium metal bar ends, and Shadow Voltus 9 Rise. I got a profile push sprocket, Deco headset. This is a stolen cherry frame that I painted, like, it's weird, it's like Hammered Poo, Turd Burglar is the name. And then I got Deco Foo Forks, they're nice. Colt Powder Peg in the front, Mission Echo hub with Mission spokes, and Alienation PBR rim, GLH tire in the front. Alright, I got Shadow Ravager pedals, Mission Transit cranks, Shadow Screaming sprocket, and then the, whatever it's called, the Shadow Interlock multicolored one. Got a Shadow Little one in the back with a Shadow Ravager, or Raptor, Shadow Raptor hub with, I don't even know what fuck spokes, rim, GLH tire in the back. And then I have a Madeira seat. It's nice. So that was my bike check.